Most traders think the hardest part is passing a prop firm evaluation. It's not. Passing is easy compared to what comes next. Staying funded. Because a lot of traders pass, then lose the account within days. So if you keep failing evals or blowing funded accounts, this video will explain why. The truth is, most traders don't have a strategy problem. They have a pressure problem. And pressure changes how people trade. Let me explain. Point number 1. When traders start an evaluation, they usually focus on the profit target. They think, I need to make $3,000 fast. So what happens? They oversize. They force setups. They trade every move. They abandon patience. Instead of trading well, they trade desperate. That creates emotional decision-making. And emotional trading usually ends the same way. Drawdown. Reset. Repeat. Passing becomes hard not because the target is impossible, but because the trader creates unnecessary pressure. Point number 2. Now let's say they finally pass. Most traders feel relief, then immediately start thinking, now I need to make real money. That pressure gets even worse. So they size up too fast. They revenge trade losses. They try to make weekly payouts immediately, and they bring the exact same habits from the eval into the funded account. Different account, same trader. That's why many traders pass once, then lose funding right away. Point number 3. If you want to pass and stay funded, you need to stop treating the account like a lottery ticket. Start treating it like a repeatable business process. That means, trade smaller than you think you need to. Take only A+ setups. Accept slower progress. Protect consistency over excitement. Most traders want to win fast, but the traders who last win steadily. Even one contract, traded properly, can outperform oversized emotional trading. The goal isn't to pass. The goal is becoming the kind of trader who can pass repeatedly and keep funding. If you keep failing evaluations or losing funded accounts, it may not be your strategy. It may be the pressure you're putting on yourself. Reduce pressure. Trade smaller. Build consistency first. That's how funding becomes repeatable. If trading tips like this helped, please consider subscribing for more trading psychology and prop firm content. And if you want a simple framework for trading small and staying consistent, check out my channel or website at the link below. Thanks for watching, and good luck in your trading journey.